Good evening, friends. Dignitaries on the occasion, Professor B.P. Veerabhadrappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Coimbatore University, Shimoga, Dr. Satish Kumar Hosmani, Director, Department of Public Libraries, Bangalore, Dr. A.S. Deshpande, Registrar, VTU, Belgavi, Conference Director, LISACon 2020, Dr. M.G. Srikumar, Key Person of the event and President of LIS Academy, Professor P.V. Konnoor, Secretary, LIS Academy, Dr. T.A. Mohan, and another person behind the success of this conference, Dr. B.S. Shivaram, all the participants and viewers of conference, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to present the report of LISACon 2020 Reinventing Excellence in Librarianship, a conference of difference held during 27 to 30 of August 2020. At the outset, I would like to thank Professor P.V. Konnoor, President LIS Academy Bangalore and organizing chair of the conference for giving me this opportunity to present the report. Earlier, LISACon 2020 was proposed to organize physically at University of Hyderabad, but it is because of a COVID-19 pandemic. The same has been planned in virtual mode in the same period. The most awaited LISACon 2020, the first national virtual conference of LIS Academy, was organized in collaboration with IGM Library, University of Hyderabad, Telangana Library Association, began with a great fervor and grandeur on Thursday, 27th August 2020. The lighting of virtual lamp by the dignitaries and prayer of Goddess Saraswati marked the beginning of 4-day virtual conference. During the inauguration, Professor P.V. Konnoor, Conference Chair, gave an overview of the National Virtual Conference on Reinventing Excellence in Librarianship and briefed the August gathering about the professional journey of LIS Academy as well as its initiatives for the development of library professionals. Professor Konnoor formally introduced the dignitaries and welcomed them to the first virtual and third LISACon conference. The conference director, Dr. M.G. Srikumar, Chief Librarian and Adjunct Professor I.M. Kozhikode, gave a brief note about the conference, including sub-themes, the sessions, and the speakers of the 4 days event. He highlighted the special features of this virtual conference, including the quiz, with an earnest request to the LIS professionals to take advantage of this unique opportunity to enrich their knowledge. Professor K.K. Agarwal, Honorable Chairman, NBA MHRD, New Delhi, delivered the inaugural address. In his talk, he highlighted the efforts of LIS Academy for the welfare of the library professionals and congratulated them for successfully networking the institutions and professionals through the conference. Appreciating the relevance of conference theme, he stressed on the word excellence as it is a journey that takes one towards higher direction and further it takes in improving the services by setting higher benchmark despite the disruptions. Guest of honor, Professor Karsidappa, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of VTU Belgavi, addressed the audience. He talked about the changes that libraries are undergoing and the need for librarians to equip themselves to stay relevant and meaningful. Libraries are vital to any education ecosystem and changes due to technology intervention, changing paradigms in the education system, and diverse need of information seekers. Libraries need to work out a strategy to understand factors of a change regarding their services, delivery mechanisms, and technology platforms. Talking about the need of knowledgeable, market-ready, skilled workforce, he called on the librarians to aid in creating meaningful curriculum. Professor T.D. Kemparaju, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Bangalore North University, Kolar, while addressing the audience, talked on the importance of knowledge and information. He drew the attention to the quality consciousness society and technology-driven society lead to the quality and excellence in academics. Professor Kemparaju called the librarians to re-examine their services and activities and stressed on establishing quality parameters in collection building to bring out the new changes, reinvent new approaches, and equip the LIS manpower to adapt to the changing environment. He called for the quality policies, quality technologies, and quality procedures. Dr. Shankar Venugopal, Vice President, Mahindra & Mahindra Research Valley, Chennai, delivered the keynote address of Future of Library and New Role of Librarians. His talk focused on the forces shaping the future library. Talking on the new role of librarians, Dr. Shankar gave 3 crucial roles for knowing and empowering the libraries and 3 models for connected library. He presented a comprehensive roadmap for future libraries. He discussed the critical skills for future librarians and explained how to build those skills. He enlightened future librarians with the 3 new rules: know your customer, and empower yourself, and looking at things with a fresh perspectives and innovative approaches. Conference Director Dr. M.G. Srikumar, Chief Librarian I.M. Kozhikode, gave his keynote talk on conceptualizing and designing a sustainably agile and resilient 21st century library. He discussed the library strategies, systems, and services as a catalyst in imparting, creating, and preserving knowledge. Trends in libraries and the mandate of present libraries, learning environment activities were thoughtfully presented. Library professionals should shoulder the curriculum and academic activities of the institute by repositioning their importance in organizations where the highlights of his speech. Professor B. Rajashekara, Pro Vice Chancellor, University of Hyderabad, gave his presidential remarks covering the role of libraries and librarians in present time. Dr. Varadarajan, University Librarian, University of Hyderabad, and Organizing Secretary, proposed the vote of thanks. Dr. Shivaram, Senior Technical Officer, NAL Bangalore, anchored the inauguration session. LISACon 2020, Reinventing Excellence in Librarianship, had been meticulously planned with 6 major sub-themes, namely reinventing library services in the digital age, new paradigms in collection development, leveraging library technologies, data, metrics, and ranking, role of librarians, role of libraries in inculcating research ethics, and the last one, library diplomacy, touching upon every aspect of library system and services relevant in the present digital age. Every theme had a plenary chair speaker and 6 panel speakers. The first session, Reinventing Library Service in Digital Age, on 28th August was chaired by Mr. B.P. Prakash, Director Library Services, Ashoka University, Sonipat, Haryana. In his plenary talk, he gave practical insights from the management perspectives and enlightened the participants with his vast experience in a large corporate library and presented various facets of library management in achieving excellence by bringing in some practical insights. In the session, 6 speakers presented their papers on challenges of innovative services, practical experiences, librarians' role as research partners, adopting digital pedagogy in list education system, and library as a social and cultural hub. Second session of the day with the theme New Paradigms in Collection Development was chaired by Dr. Shantanu Ganguly, Fellow Knowledge Management Division, TERI, New Delhi. He enlightened on various digital platforms and online resources and how professionals can embrace the digital transformation in their system and introduce services. He discussed various knowledge products that can be delivered on the desktops of the users and gave tips on Game Changer program. In the second session, another 6 speakers shared their experiences on collection models of e-resources, curation and preservation of digital archives, services in social science research, building a diverse collection for every reader, role of librarians in Wikipedia content development, and building collection using usage data. On 29th August, third session of the conference, Leveraging Library Technologies, was chaired by Dr. Girish Kunkur, librarian, BITS Pilani. He enlightened the audience with how best list professionals can enhance and engage users' experiences through technology in academic libraries with his practical experiences at BITS Pilani. In the session, 6 speakers deliberated their talks on CASA, Campus Activated Subscriber Access, web scale discovery tools, technological advancements in libraries, library web applications, and challenges in multimedia information retrieval systems in the digital age. Fourth session of the conference, Data, Metrics, and Ranking, the role of librarians, was chaired by Dr. Jagdish Arora, former director, InflipNet Ahmedabad and advisor, NBA, New Delhi. In his plenary talk, he enlightened how librarians can play a role in ranking of higher education institutions in India. Speakers in the session shared their experiences on role of librarians in open access publications, research data management, open data repositories, research indicators, institutional rankings, and how best libraries can play a role in enhancing the research visibility and research collaborations. On 30th, the 5th session of the conference, Role of Libraries in Inculcating Research Ethics, was chaired by Dr. P. Mukhopadhyay, Professor, Department of Library and Information Science, Kalyani University, Kolkata. In his plenary talk, he enlightened the participants on how to inculcate best practices to maintain standards with academic integrity. Speaker of the session discussed and presented their views on publication ethics, pirate sites, good ethical practices in list education, role of librarians in publication procedures, and predatory publications. Sixth session on library diplomacy was chaired by Dr. K. Rama Patnaik, librarian, IIM, Bangalore. In her plenary talk, she presented how to revitalize diplomacy and what role librarians can play as a tools of culture, advocacy, promotion, and curating heritage. The 5 speakers of the session presented on library diplomacy in 21st century, how librarians can learn from science diplomacy, past, present, and future of library diplomacy, and how libraries can play a strategic tool in diplomacy. All the sessions had a good number of queries from participants, and they were answered by the respective learned speakers. Each session was moderated by panel chair. The third LIS Academy virtual conference, Reinventing Excellence in Librarianship, was the first of its kind. A conference of difference went very well with a mega response from the audience. It is the first time ever in the history of LIS profession a virtual conference of this mega scale was organized on virtual platform. In all, the 4-day conference had 35 invited speakers and 6 plenary speakers who are eminent LIS professionals from across the country. There were product demonstrations on all the 3 days by Scientific E-Resources, Elsevier, Springer Nature, Taylor Francis, Net Analytics, Nimbus, Emerald Publishing, Turnitin, and Indica. To encourage and keep the young participants engaged throughout the session, quiz competition was organized after every session and winners were awarded with exciting prizes and mementos. The LIS Academy has made every effort to cover the current and major topics of librarianship in digital age. The 4-day virtual conference will go a long way in the history of LIS Academy and will be remembered by professionals for the first of its kind attempt. Though there were technical glitches in recording and broadcasting, learnings will be ruminated to fine-tune the future programs, and I'm sure LIS Academy will always be in the forefront to initiate new ventures. With the paucity of time, I'm summing up the report in brief, and complete report and all the video recordings of LISACon 2020 are available on LIS Academy website on YouTube channels for those who missed or who wish to revisit the deliberations. Ladies and gentlemen, with this note, I conclude Reinventing Excellence in Librarianship conference opened up plenty of ideas for the participants from galaxy of speakers to take away and to integrate new and innovative services in your libraries. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.